So you might have already watched my videos on how to grow on Twitch. If you don't know how to start, you're never going to get anywhere. So let me show you how to set up OBS and get you streaming. Hey guys, I'm Jake HRD. I stream on Twitch on Mondays and Fridays, and today I'm going to show you how to set up OBS. So let's jump over to my screen and I'll start giving you a tour. Okay, so there's a few different ways you can stream on Twitch, a few different programs you can use. The main one obviously OBS, Streamlabs, XSplit, all fairly similar, do a similar sort of thing. They're all going to allow you to stream to Twitch, which is really all we're here for. So once you click Windows, you've downloaded and installed OBS, you're going to see this screen. In fact, probably going to come up with this. You can optimize for streaming, recording is secondary. If you click next, it will set it up to your computer, do a few things. Really, you want to make sure the settings are correct. First things first, jump into settings, click on stream and connect your account. If you click connect account, it's going to come up, ask you to log into Twitch, authorize, same as it does on anything. And then it'll be easy. All you've got to do is press start streaming and it will go straight to your Twitch account. Okay, so next you want to jump into the output tab. Really, this is fine. Your video bitrate, I'll show you how to set that up in another video. If you leave it at 3000, you're going to have a pretty good quality stream and it's not going to be too taxing if your internet's not the best. For the encoder, you want to use NVENC. X264 relies mainly on your CPU. NVENC relies on a specific chip within an NVIDIA GPU, as long as you've got an NVIDIA GPU of course, and it's just going to allow a lot more headroom both in the CPU and the GPU for your actual gaming. So then you can click enable advanced encoder settings. This preset here, you can change if you're having issues. You could put it in max performance mode, but really quality is where you want to start. You can always test it from here to your own Twitch, see how it's doing. If you're struggling, if the stream is dropping frames and jumping all over the place, then come in and try a different encoder preset. It might help, but more than likely if you're dropping frames, it's going to be your bitrate. Alright, so we're set up, we know we can start streaming, but what are we streaming? We've got a blank page. So now we get into the fun stuff, how to actually add your sources. First off, you want to head to this scene section down here. To add a scene, you just need to click add. Type in the name, click OK. Still nothing. This is where we add our sources. You click the plus button, display capture, create new, OK. It's going to come up with this. This is how you actually capture your display. Obviously, it's in the name. Simple, right? I've got two screens, so I've got two options. You've only got one screen, you'll only have one option. So there we are. We're capturing whatever is on this display now. But wait, we need a webcam. Easy enough again. Add, video capture, create new, OK. Okay, resolution, FPS type, device default. This is on a normal webcam, this is just a Logitech Stream Cam. It's nothing spectacular at all. So really, just leave it as device default. Go for there, click OK, and you're in. You can now drag this around, resize it, make it massive, make it tiny, however you want. Realistically, to start with, that's all you need. And it's done. So next we're going to need to capture some audio. No good having a stream if you can't talk to anyone. Easiest way to do this, again, add a new source, audio input capture, create new, and then pick your microphone. So I'm using the Yeti here, click that, OK, and then you'll see down here, right at the bottom, that we're picking up the Yeti audio. So right now we're maxing this out, you can see it's going right into the red. You don't want this, it's going to sound horrible. This slider here is going to bring that down. It's just the channel volume, so just come down a bit, maybe a bit more. You want to be in the yellow, between the yellow and the green really is about best. So around there is going to be absolutely perfect. Alright guys, so we're nearly there with the sources. So we've got our camera set up, we've got our microphone set up, we've got our display. The only other thing we need now is gameplay setup. So you want to go on audio output capture, create new again, rename this. Desktop audio, I can spell, and then pick your speaker output. So mine is the high definition audio, click that, OK. So now you're going to have your desktop audio, you're going to have your voice audio, you've got your camera, and your display, you're ready to start streaming. Right guys, so now you're set up, you're ready to stream. You've got all the basics you need to get going on Twitch. Simple as that. It really is that easy to get going. From here on in, you can start streaming, see if you can get any viewers, see if you can build something up. When you do, you might fancy adding an overlay. I'll go over that in my next video, but for now, just have a look. Google stream overlays. You've got Owned, Nerd or Die, Stream Elements. Streamlabs have their own ones. It's entirely up to you. Have a look around, see what you like. Have fun streaming. Again, I stream on Twitch Mondays and Fridays. We always do a just chatting section either at the beginning or the end, so jump in if you've got any questions. We'll see if we can help you out. Other than that, I'll see you next week.